We're trying to get this in for a release because we're here with Alessandro Cortini, who's there in Portugal. How are you, Alessandro?
I'm great. I'm very happy to be joining you for this.
It's lovely to have you. And the reason that we've got you is because you've been working on a project with MakeNoise, and you've kind of got a new thing on the go. So tell us about it.
But this is it. So you have a voice part here, and then you have a delay part here. The interesting and new thing about this, as opposed to the other MakeNoise components in the no-coast format, is the fact that you see there are these touch plates. Square ones are destinations and round ones are sources. So with your fingers you can induce or introduce modulation. I can play you some of what I have as far as sequence here, so you get an idea of what okay, so here we got, this is just a simple sequence. And here's the wave shape. And right now it's voltage controlled. So now it's dry, you're just hearing the voice sequence. And if I bring in the effect, where you introduce the uncertainty, if you want. So at the heart of it, it's a delay with a filter into the feedback loop.
Wow, that gets somewhere pretty quickly.